Pardon the fan noise. It's night, so I'm recording at night, because why not? This is my light source currently, so forgive me. It's not turned to have the twinkle lights. Anyway, just thought I'd do a little update. Super excited for some auditions coming up this week. I did 3 cabarets in a row last week, which was amazing. I've gotten to see some pretty cool friends, and I've also got to meet some pretty cool new ones, so that's good. The city is so weird, man. It's like this morning I was working on a job, and it was super nice because it's pretty answered to have like that extra job come up. I'm working like 4 jobs right now, another possible 5th, and then I'm doing like side jobs whenever I can too. Great times. Yeah, I was doing really well. It was fun. Met some really cool people. Excited to work with them again tomorrow. And got home and I don't know, just got really sad. Sometimes you can feel super alone in the city just because there's so many people, and I've met a lot of cool people, and like they're great and I love them. It's just everyone's busy and has different schedules, and I don't know. Just, there's times where sometimes you just wish you could just go home, but you made a commitment to stay. So you don't go home, and you're grateful that you made that commitment so that you don't end up back home. And not that there's anything wrong with home, just I don't know. God is showing up in some pretty cool ways, must admit. But when doesn't he? Literally asked for opportunities to make money so I can, pay rent and all that stuff. And like less than 24 hours after praying, a bunch of opportunities showed up. So that's like, it's amazing. It's awesome. I'm just really sad right now, and I can't really, I can think of a reason or two why, but it just feels kind of like it's coming out of nowhere. And all my fellow people with fun mental illness stuff can probably relate, whether it be depression or anxiety or some other things. Yeah, so far right now it's one of those moments, I guess, of my depression, more than anxiety or my other stuff. Sometimes it just hits you, just randomly, out of nowhere. You're just like, I am on top of the world, and then you're like, wow, I'm really sad. And all I want to do is listen to sad music and lay in bed and not get up and go home. But there's so many cool things to look forward to, so like, no, bro, I can't do that. And I know that like I'll wake up tomorrow and I'll go to work and I'll be with cool people and I'll be so excited, so happy. It's just right now not so much, and that's okay. Yeah, that's okay, that's cool, it's fine, it's whatever. It's grand, it's great, it's gone. But yeah, I think especially with this new like vlog style of just like back to the basics, I'm gonna try to like, I don't know, just be a little more honest with these things. And I know I've done ones in the past where I'm like, I've done kind of, I don't know, something similar to this. I don't know. I feel like almost everyone goes through this anyway. And sometimes you just need to see someone else going through it too, to know that you're not alone. So, yeah. Sorry, I'm looking at my wall. I have little decorations on this little board I have, and they're So we did this thing during Winterfest contract where we would write notes to each other and just say kind things, and so I hung some of them up for my friends. It's nice to be able to look at those from people back home. Yeah, shout out to Sarah, Joy, and Richard, because I have to do that in every video. I do. The last time I wore this cardigan, I was home. I have this really cute little pin that's an S. I used to have one that was a K as well during Winterfest. But I lost it like one of the last days of Winterfest walking out of Carowinds. It's really kind of sad because I really love this S pin and that K pin. Anyway, Winterfest people can tell you for a while I was wearing the K or the S. Like every day I would change it out. Anyway, tomorrow is 6 months of being in the city. It's exciting. It's exciting. Yeah, like I said, I haven't worn this cardigan since being home, so I just put it on for this video, and it was just kind of like, I don't know, my arm kind of got close to my face, and it smells like home. So, you know, I'm grateful to be in the city. Like I said, tomorrow's 6 months, but I also do miss home. I miss my friends and my family, but I'm grateful to be where I'm at too. Sorry, if you see me keep looking up, it's because I have on my board, I have like my friends and like my schedule and all that fun stuff. Anyway, I'm rambling. All that to say, sometimes you have sad times, and sometimes you have happy times, and it's fine. You're allowed to have them. So here's to this week and to seeing what comes next.